I see you over there in your glass cage. I almost fell off. Ah, okay, I'm good, I'm good. Friendship is key, friendship is key.
Surprise, mother.
Hi.
I hate you. I'm gonna kill myself. I hate you so much. I had no clue that that was coming.
Snowballs. Oh shoot, imagine you got knocked off by that one
Snowballs
snowball.
for no balls?
You got knocked off by that one snowball. What on earth did my mouse just do? Ah, no. I swear I'm innocent. Ah. Ooh. Ooh, get the wreck. Oh, never mind. Don't get the wreck, don't get the wreck. Oh,
Yeah!
how did you hit me? What the heck?
I
I
clapped.
swear you weren't looking at me. Hi there. Hi there.
I hate you so much.
Hi there. Dude, you're almost dead. What are you gonna do about it? You're on 6 HP. That's 3 hearts. Hi there.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh.
Giving myself a decent chance of surviving versus suicide. I'll choose suicide any day.
Any day, dude. Hi there. Oh, you have a wolf. Okay, that's not good. I am extremely good, sir. Let's go.
Ah! How?
I was so low. I just committed there.
I know.
Your only chance of winning this is if I fall off. Nope. Oh, dang it. Nice. Why'd you already gaffle? Ah, leave me alone, sir. Oh, what the heck? You teleported. What? I don't like this. I was itching my eyebrow. Nice. Nice. I love your strats. Let me just put you out there. Why don't you gapple? Oh, I'm out of arrows, right? Yeah, he's being really silent. So many blocks.
Oh my god, I'm awful.
It's okay, so am I. As I combo you. Oh. What? What? How did you die?
Little thing called the disconnect.
Oh, you want to try Sky Wars?
Nope.
No clue what happened.
When all the great people kill all the trash people and then kill themselves.
Demonetized.
You can say dick, you just can't say
Oh, you
yes, you can say Richard. My grandfather.
yeah, finish your sentence. Okay. Oh.
How did you hit me twice?
What? Okay. Dude, you take like barely any knockback. Oh my gosh.
So do you.
Oh, like you hit me once and I go flying like 3 feet, and you barely go a block. My finger's getting tired.
God, that was the longest one yet.
Why did you jump so much?
Whenever I get close to the edge, it doesn't matter.
So, oh, I think you have to go into this thing to score. Yeah, because just jump in to score. Oh, dang it. No? How about no? This is why you build red.
Oh yeah! Let's go.
Nice.
I hate
Just watch
myself.
you fall.
I fell into my own goal.
Does it give me a point for that? What if I just hit you with my block? I just fell in by accident.
Damn it! Stop knocking me in the goal! I hate you so much.
Nice, nice. I like that. Oh, how did I miss? Hey, Caden.
Because like
Oh.
fresh is
If I hop that, like, no, you almost knocked me over. Ah! What?
Okay. Go in you go. You just block yourself off. Ah, never mind. Leave me alone. Please don't hit me off, cause okay, I'm gonna have to catch you, don't I? Uh-oh, I just knocked you further. Dang it.
I'm gonna have to catch you here. Let me just knock you even further.
Oh. Oh, what? I couldn't even hit you. Nice.
Doesn't
I
matter.
didn't even need to.
Commit suicide.
Okay, nice. I really like that. Bow only, bow only, bow only. Yes, knock me,
Eat
knock
my ass! Ah!
I'm not gonna use my sword, right? I'm still gonna win. Watch, I swear.
How do you do that? How do you do that?
Oh, I caught myself. You fell off. Incompetent.
I hate my life.
Oh, jeez, how'd you get down so quick?
Oh, finally.
You didn't even need to hit you. You fell off anyway. One tap.
It takes me so long to hit you off, and then you just hit me off first strike.
Wow. Just abuse my lag, okay.
I love abusing lag, but usually I'm lagging.
Oh, I hit you, no way. I swear if you win.
I won! This is epic.
Alright, you do you. Yes, knock me into it.
I hate myself.
Oh shoot, what? Okay. I thought I outsmarted you there for a second.
You really did.
I just fell. Okay, that's great. No, I'm good, sir. Oh, I fell in.
Oh,
Dang it. Dang it, dude. That's what I like to call a pro gamer.
That's what I like to call an epic gamer.
Alright. Yeah. You can literally one-tap me. You
Yeah, I know.
one-tapped
I missed my shot. That shot would have made it so much better.
No, but you barely charged your shot, so that would have done like half hard to me.
Nope.
Oh shoot!
But he gangster until I want to die.
No, I think not.
Oh,
Yes,
I-
yes.
no.
No.
If you got me, I would have died. How did you land that? That
I
was the
hit you
most
twice.
anticlimactic death
I
ever.
hit you twice, and the second time you went
Oh,
close.
you
Hey,
did.
turn around, turn around.
I'm just gonna commit suicide real quick.
You do you.
I hate you so much. You style on me, and I hate it. Okay.
Oh, what a shot.
I'll take that damage.
You will? Okay.
Caught yourself there.
I didn't even catch myself. Like, the block was already there. I blocked
You're about to
myself.
win! About to win. Oh no, wait. Are you?
Let's go, let's go. Don't turn around, don't turn around, don't turn around, don't worry about it. Oh, I just gave
Surprise, motherfucker.
up hard. Oh my. Okay.
How? How do you manage to angle it? That's game.
Look behind you. Yeet. What are you gonna do now? Oh shit. Oh, no, 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 no. No.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.